Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can capture your screen in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Opera browser on your desktop computer or laptop, and you will find the capture screen feature here in the top right, here next to the download button, or downloads folder, sorry, snapshot. Click into it. And after that, you may use that cropping tool to capture the part of your Opera browser's screen or display. So let me go with, I don't know, that area, for instance. And then you may click into capture. And here you will see this image editor. So you may, for instance, apply various edits to it, like insert shapes, zoom in, zoom out, use various tools like a drawing tool, a pen, a pencil, use, for example, various, insert a text box, sorry, and change the font color here, and so on and so forth. You may undo this or cancel this action here. And once it's done, click into Save Image to save the given screenshot on your device. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.